Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Today we will continue our chapter 9, that is data handling. So students, in our today's topic we will study about the pictograph. This is the pictograph as shown here. The sale of electric bulbs on different days of a week is shown. Okay, this is shown as the sale of electric bulbs on the different days of week, means on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, number of electric bulbs, these number of bulbs are shown as the form of pictograph. Okay, and here this one circle represent two bulbs. Okay, if one circle is here, it means it is showing two number of bulbs. So if we want to know that how many bulbs were sold on Monday, then what we will do? Here the circles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many circles are here? 6. And each circle represent 2 bulbs. It means 6 circles will represent 6 twos. So 12 means on Monday 12 bulbs were sold. Okay. Similarly, we can check for the Tuesday. Check for Tuesday. So how many circles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, and we will multiply it by 2 because each circle show 2 bulbs, so 8 twos is 16. Similarly, we will check for Wednesday. 4 circles are here and we will multiply it with 2, so 8 bulbs are here. Then on Thursday 5 circles and we will multiply with 2 as each circle shows 2 bulbs, so 5 twos is 10, so it's showing 10 bulbs. Now 3, 3, 6 and then 7 circles, 7 twos will be 14, so on Friday 14 bulbs were sold. Then 4 circles are here and we will multiply with 2 and we will get 8 bulbs. On Sunday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circles and we will multiply with 2 and we will get 18. 9 twos is 18. It means 18 bulbs were sold on Sunday. Okay. Now the questions here are: observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. This is the pictograph and we have also written in numbers also that if in this pictograph each circle shows 2 bulbs, then how many bulbs were sold on each day of the week. Okay. Now first question is how many bulbs were sold on Friday. So for the Friday, how many bulbs? 7 circles, and 7 circle means 7 twos are 14 bulbs. So how many bulbs were sold on Friday? 14 bulbs. We will write here answer 14 bulbs. Now B part is on which day maximum number of bulbs sold. So maximum number means सबसे ज़्यादा, more number of times. So 12, 16, 18, 10, 14, 8, 18. 18 is the greater one here and it is the day Sunday. So we can write here that on Sunday maximum number of bulbs were sold. On Sunday the maximum number of bulbs were sold. Okay. Now the C part here is on which of the days same number of bulbs were sold. Okay, same number of bulbs. So if we will check, then here it is 8 and here it is also 8. Right. So here it is 12, 16, 8, 10, 14, 8, 18. So 8 and 8 are only the same numbers here. Okay. And it is asked that on which days. So we will write that on Wednesday, as this 8 is for the Wednesday and this is for the Saturday. So on Wednesday and Saturday, same number of bulbs were sold. So we will write here answer that on Monday and Saturday, the same number of bulbs were sold. And how many bulbs? 8 bulbs on each day. Okay. Now the last question is on which of the days minimum number of bulbs were sold. On which days? Okay. Minimum number means the lowest in number. Okay. So which is the lesser one? Again 8 is the lesser one. Right? Because 12, 16, 8, 18, 10, 14, 8, 18. In this 8 is the minimum. So minimum bulbs were sold on Wednesday and Saturday. So again our answer here will be on Monday and Saturday the minimum number of bulbs were sold. So like this you can solve your question, students, related to pictograph. If pictograph is given to you and it will be told, it will be told to you that what each of the picture is showing, then you can convert this accordingly, okay, and you can tell about the questions that are asked to you. Okay students. Okay students, so now the next topic is question will be given to you and you have to make the pictograph. Okay, so the question here is, this is one of an example, that total number of animals in 5 villages are as follows. Total number of animals are given of 5 villages. Village A 80 animals, village B 120 animals, village C 90, village D 40 and village E 60 animals. Okay, now it is asked that prepare a pictograph of these animals using one symbol, means we will use this one symbol to represent 10 animals, and answer the following questions, and these are the questions given to us and we need to find their solution. So first of all, it is asked to make the pictograph. Okay, so we will make a pictograph, we will make a table like this, this will be the solution. We will make the table like this, we will write villages, village A, B, C, D and E. Okay, number of animals, and we will make the pictograph here, and also it is given students that we have to use this one symbol to represent 10 animals. Okay, we have to use this one symbol, means circle and then cross within it, to represent 10 animals. Students, if it is not given to you in the question that what symbol you have to use, then you can take according to your wish. Okay, now we will use this symbol to represent 10 animals. Village A has 80 animals. So students, if this symbol, this one symbol will be using for 10 animals, and here are 80 animals in village A. So how many these symbols we will make? We will make 8 symbols, right? As this one symbol will represent 10 animals, then this another one, this second symbol will represent 20 animals, this third one will represent 30 animals, this fourth one will represent 40 animals, fifth one will represent 50, sixth one will represent 60, seventh one will represent 70 and eighth one will represent 80, right? So we will draw 8 symbols, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have made 8 symbols. Now for the village B, we have to draw 120 animals. So for one symbol is for 10 animals. So students, if you want to find out that how much symbol we should make, so what you can do, how many animals are given? 120, and one symbol is using for 10 animals, so you can divide. So by this 0 can be cancelled out, so what we are getting 12. It means we need to make 12 symbols here. Okay, so we will make here 12 symbols. One symbol for 10, 2 symbol for 20 animals, 3 symbols for 30, 4 symbols for 40, 5 symbols for 50, 6 symbols for 60, 7 symbols for 70, 8 symbols for 80, 9 symbols for 90, 10 symbols for 100, 11 symbols for 110, and 12 symbols for 120 animals. Okay, now we have to draw for village C, and in village C there are 90 animals. So it's obvious we will make 9 symbols. Okay, so let's start drawing. One symbol for 10 animals, 2 for 20, 3 for 30, fourth one for 40. Okay, we will draw, keep on drawing like this. Fifth one is for 50, sixth one is for 60, seventh one is for 70, eighth one is for 80 and ninth one is for 90. So 9 symbols will represent 90 animals. Now village D has 40 animals. So how many symbols we will make, students? One symbol for 10, 2 symbols for 20, 3 symbols for 30, 4 symbols for 40. So we will make 4 symbols. Now for the village E, we will draw here, and how many animals? 60 animals. So we will start drawing here. One symbol for 10 animals, 2 symbols for 20 animals, 3 symbols for 30 animals, 4 symbols for 40 animals, 5 symbols for 50 animals, and 6 for 60. So we will draw 6 symbols here. So like this you will draw your pictograph. Now we will answer these questions. How many symbols represent animals of village E? So students, for village E, how many symbols we have drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 symbols. So we will write here that we have drawn, for this answer we will write that 6 symbols we have drawn to represent animals of village E. Now which village has the maximum number of animals? So you can see from here also, as 120 is the greatest one number, it means village B has the maximum number of animals. And if you will see from here, then for which village we have drawn maximum number of symbols? We have drawn maximum number of symbols for village B, that are 12. Okay, so here the answer will be village B. Okay, for the village B we have drawn maximum number of symbols, or we can say that in village B there are maximum number of animals. Now the C part here is which village has more animals, village A or village C. So students, if we will check, then village A has 80 animals and village C has 90 animals. So which one has more animals? Village C has more animals. And also we can compare from here also. Here the symbols are 9 and here the symbols are 8. So where the symbols are more, that will be showing greater animals, right? So we will write here that village C has greater animals. For the answer we will write here that village C has more animals. Okay, and if they will ask you that how much more, then 90 minus 80 will be 10, means 10 animals are more. So students, that's the topic related to your pictograph. Hope to see in the next video students. Till then, take care. Bye bye.